Geometric sequences, find the common ratio of each sequence. So with arithmetic sequence, we called that the common difference. It was what are you adding each time in this pattern. The common ratio is what are you multiplying each time in this pattern. So from 3 to 12 to 48 to 192, just think 3 to 12, what are you multiplying by? 4. And 12 times 4 is 48. So you'd say the common ratio is 4. If you're not familiar with the numbers, you can always just take the second number and divide it by the first number. So you can see 12 over 3, which is 4. Or you can take 192 and divide by 48, and it comes out to 4. 48 divided by 12, 4. 12 divided by 3, 4. It's all the same. So here, 80 to 20 to 5 to 5/4, you're not multiplying, those numbers are getting smaller, but we still have to write it as multiplication. So remember what I just said, you can always take the second number and divide it by the first number. Now if I had 20 80ths, and I simplified that, 20 goes into 20 one time, 20 goes into 80 4 times. So I get it that we're dividing by 4, but we have to write it as multiplication. And dividing by 4, or dividing by 4 over 1, is the same as multiplying by the reciprocal, times 1/4. Those are the same thing, but we have to write it as multiplication.